911 emergency.
Yes, I'm in the middle of the field. It takes we just pushed some guys over.
Run that
When
right.
I talk, he's home. Hi, sure, he's home.
This is the final 911 call from Brandon Lawson. Police believe Brandon was confused, possibly hallucinating, but his family says he wasn't. Brandon told the dispatcher he was in the middle of a field, that people were pushing others over, and that there was no talking to them. The call keeps breaking up. The dispatcher asks him to repeat himself. Brandon sounds scared and frustrated that no one understands him. Later, police said Brandon had run out of gas and suggested the call didn't make sense. But his brother says Brandon was describing real people and real danger, not a hallucination. Search teams didn't look where Brandon said the threat was. Brandon Lawson disappeared that night. His remains weren't found for years, and people are still arguing about what he was trying to say. Listen again.